Knitting takes two hands. So does crochet, which makes it less than ideal when I have to stop and say, wait, what row am I on? So for the ElevenLabs 2-hour conversational AI hackathon, I built Pearl, a voice agent that keeps track of my place and reads back the next steps in my pattern. Can you update Notion to indicate that the ripple crochet blanket pattern that I finished row 8?
I'd be happy to update your progress on the ripple crochet blanket pattern. Let me do that for you right away.
She talks to Notion behind the scenes. I just ask, and she updates where I left off, or reminds me of what comes next.
You'll be continuing with the same pattern as in row 8, which is part of section A of the pattern, the solid base section made with single crochet stitches. For row 9, you'll need 2, 1, chain 1, 2, turn your work 3, single crochet across the entire row. This is part of the foundation section that creates a nice dense fabric for warmth. You're making great progress. After row 9, you'll have just one more row in section A before moving on to the more textured section B with post stitches. Would you like me to explain anything else about the upcoming rows?
I built it with N8N, Notion, and ElevenLabs conversational tools. I did hit a snag early on with MCP, so I pivoted, tried routing through an N8N webhook, and I also explored ElevenLabs' internal knowledge system until things clicked. Now Pearl helps me track where to start and stop just by talking. It's still early, but I love the idea of an agent that quietly supports the things that I do. Big thanks to ElevenLabs for hosting. This was a fun one.